Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? It is the first day of July. Welcome to July. It is the midpoint of the year 2019. Rich back here after a few relaxing days down at the beach. It rained one day. It rained all day Saturday, but that's okay. I just ate more seafood on Saturday. I was really jealous to see some of your rainfall totals over the last few days. I've been reading your Facebook comments, and some of you did great on rainfall over the last 4 days. Not so much at this location, only 0.14 of an inch, not good. And the rain chances become scant over the next few days. The big story I have to tell you is about heat this week. And in fact, as we get later into the week, dangerous heat indices. And that's really bad with so many people out and about during this holiday week period. We'll update the numbers. We'll look at the rain chances and the latest on the beach forecast and the tropics. And here we go right now.
No big ticket storm systems on the map for us to monitor. It's the summer doldrums on this first day of July, the midpoint of the year. And things are fairly routine with some spotty thunderstorms possible later on this afternoon. I've got the rain chances at 20%. Just a routine summer day, and high temperatures will be into the middle 90s. In fact, I've got us at 95, and the heat index will be near 100 today. Tonight slowed down to about 72, and that's the start of a sizzling week ahead. Here's Tuesday, a hot and steamy day with maybe a few spotty storms, but I think the rain chances are very small. They're in the isolated range. Hot with isolated storms on Wednesday as well. In fact, the heat indices get to scary levels. Oh, dangerous. 105 starts the danger range. You see some 107s and 106s and 108s. So that's going to be hot enough. And with a big upper level heat wave high over the Gulf Coast states again for the 4th of July week, with so many people outside, it's going to be dangerous heat indices as far as, you need to stay hydrated. There's the 4th of July, some stupid numbers there. You can read for yourself. And as we get into the actual 4th of July forecast, there could be some spotty storms. Rain chances at least in the 30% range. Same thing on Friday. Still a very hot day. Still in the middle 90s Friday, in the middle 90s on Saturday. But I think after that, we'll start to level off, probably closer to the low 90s as we get towards Sunday and back to a more standard forecast by then as the upper high flattens out. So I've got the rain chances very small today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And then about a 30% chance is standard on the 4th of July. Look at that, 97. And then, a little higher. We'll go one tick higher Friday and Saturday at 40%. All right? And the beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City, the thing I wanted to highlight here, the rain chances are small, but the rip current risk from Gulf Shores to Pensacola remains low to moderate. But the folks in Destin and Panama City and Walton and Bay County still say strong and frequent rip currents are possible. So be careful. Watch the flags on the beach. Gulf water temperature now 87. Out of the tropics, things are starting to flare up a little bit more. There are no tropical systems about to become a tropical cyclone in the next 5 days, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tropical waves scattered between the Yucatan and Africa.
Okay, so this is a regular day as far as everybody's back. Greg's back, I'm back, and we have the whole crew together. So live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 and live on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 and 6:40 a.m. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. I'll be standing right here, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial twice an hour on 8 radio stations. That's the Blue Water family of stations. Hey, stay hydrated as much as possible, okay? And wear that sunscreen, and I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.